everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with...
Hi, welcome to the Crafty Corner, everyone. So I am just going to show you real quick. This is one of my Premium Justice League baskets. Not sure if I'm going to say this is a large or a premium just yet, but it is everything Justice League. So it is all Justice League in here, with the exception of a couple of toys. All right, so I'm just going to slide you over here, and hopefully you can see it. All right, so let's go down some and start down here. All right, so as you can see, we started with the tray. All right, and these are the Justice League trays that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Let me grab one and show it to you. All right, so this is what the tray looks like. It is a Justice League tray. Sits like this, has legs that fold down. And then it has underneath it an activity packet that's placed up under it. So as you can see if I can show you the little kid there. That's what the tray looks like. So I decided to take the tray out of the box and make a gift concept with it. An Easter concept. Alright, so as you can see, these are the legs on it that fold down. I have it folded down, the tray open. Alright, now I had the Justice League bomb set, which is this big box here that has Wonder Woman bath bombs in it. It has Batman bath bombs in it as well. So I included that set, which was the big box set that opens and closes. All right, we also have our Batman puzzle as well as a Superman puzzle. All right, Batman, Superman, Justice League. All right, we also have a pair of Batman slippers in here for the Justice League. All right, and then over here, right here, this is a Superman activity set that I picked up last year for pennies, and I put that in this basket as well because it is also our superhero, actually is what it is, superhero activity set, and it looks like Superman flying off the front of it. So because it had a Justice League look, I did put that in there as well. All right, and then for candy, of course, our usual, I put the dots in here because kids like dots, 1, and 2, because it does give it a little bit of color, kind of pull some of the yellow together. We have our Rice Krispie treats here, fast breaks here, and I'm going to show you what I do with those, and something you can think about doing with your chocolates if you have chocolates to use, so that they don't melt all into your basket if they should get hot. Hopefully they don't melt, but if they should, it should be a warm day. We have our ring pops, we have 2 eggs here, our bubble gum, we have some sidewalk chalk. Okay, Tiger Pop, Tootsie Roll Pop. I have some Tootsie Rolls down there, as well as some Fun Dip. All right, I also included the water gun. This is the electronic water gun that's battery operated, or bubble gun, I should say. Not a water gun, it is a bubble gun, not gum. And you put the batteries in there and put the bubble solution in there, or dip it in the bubble solution and squeeze that trigger and you get a bunch of bubbles. All right, and then we also have a bubble wand right here. All right, now I'm going to show you the back of it. Okay, so on the back here, toward this end, I have a Kool-Aid jammer here. I also have the Kool-Aid popping candy here. I have 3 eggs. I put the M&M lip balm here because that could be a girl or a boy. We have our Cheez-Its. All right, then I put our paint soap here. And then one of our mitt catchers here that I talked about the other day. And as you can see, they can clearly see that it is Justice League of America. And you have, turn this a little bit more so you can see it. There's Superman, Wonder Woman, and Batman on here. All right, so this is, like I said, everything Justice League. And I also have one of the little Nerf footballs in there, the air footballs in there as well. So just tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live.